Hi, I'm Madison, one of the organizers for PyCascades, and I'm here to show you a little bit about the platform that we'll be using for the Friday night social called Spatial Chat. You'll be able to enter the social through Venuless. So once you get into Venuless, you'll be greeted with this welcome page, and hopefully you've seen Seb's video for getting into Venuless. And near the bottom of the page, we have this section for the Friday night social. And right below that, we have this link that says Join Social Event by clicking this link. So this is the link that you'll use to get into the spatial chat space. And so when you do that, you'll be greeted by this countdown if you enter before 4:30 on Friday night, 4:30 PST. But if you enter after that, then you will be greeted with this pop-up box. And this field has an avatar that you can use, your name, and a bio. So this avatar is sort of the picture that people are going to see if they aren't in close proximity to you on the platform. And so ideally that would be a picture of you so that people know who they're going up to. You'll also have a space to fill in your name, and then a small bio space. So we ask that you fill in here your location, your organization if you're affiliated, your title if you would like, and also your pronouns so that we know how to address you respectfully. Then once you have all that in, you can hit continue, and it'll do a quick mic check for your webcam and your microphone. You don't have to have both or either to enter the space. You'll still be able to enter and participate with one or the other, or without either of them. So once you get into this space, you'll land into the main social room, and you can drag the room around to see what else is in here just by clicking and holding down on the mouse. And part of the reason why this is spatial chat is because you can actually pick up and move your avatar around the space. And as you get closer to other groups or things that emit sound, like our DJ or different listening spaces, you'll actually be able to hear the music or other people talking. That sound will get louder or quieter as you move closer or further away from those people. So we have a couple of different rooms that you can be in. This first room is just a room for socializing and meeting people and chit-chatting. We also have a photo booth room that features a great picture of the Seattle skyline. You can gather here with your group and snap a screenshot and then post that screenshot in the photos channel of our PyCascades Slack. Next, we have an icebreakers room. We have a bunch of different cubes that you can walk on with different icebreaker questions that you can move with your group from cube to cube to answer the questions and just talk about our year in Python and with the pandemic. And then lastly, we have a room for figuring out Venuless. And so we're hoping for this to be a space where people can talk about the platform that we'll be using on Saturday and Sunday for the main events that are occurring on those days. You can discuss the platform, poke around the user interface, ask questions of other people. If there's no one in here, or there's a question that nobody has an answer to, you can find in one of the other rooms anybody with an admin badge. And an admin is someone who has that badge in the bottom lower left corner of their avatar. And so you can just walk up to them and ask them any questions, and we can pop into this space, or just answer right there. So we are sure that it's going to be a blast, and we hope to see you there.